What's up, divas? Glad you could make it back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing another wig review, and this wig review is of another Royal Swiss Lace wig, and this one is called Lady. It's SW Lace H Lady that I'm going to be reviewing in just a second. Now, if you are sitting there looking at me and saying, hey, what's wrong with that wig up there? What you got going on? Last week I did a review on this hair, and after I did the review, I did not wear it anymore. Or no, I take that back. I did wear it for a portion of a day, and I wanted to wear it because I feel like this is the sister to the one that I am going to be reviewing today. But I did want to show you something that is happening to the wig that happens to these kinds of wigs, these Swiss lace wigs sometimes, and that's this up here. I'm not appreciating it at all. Now, I did put some foundation on it. Now, in the last video, I did not put foundation on this wig, but I wanted to make it look a little bit more natural in the part. And, but I did want to put this on so that you could see this is the straight, and I have a feeling that this is going to be the wavy one, but I don't like this in here. Now, I am not into melting, gluing, stapling, sewing. I'm not doing all of that, okay, with wigs. The whole point of me wearing a wig is for beauty, convenience, versatility. I just want to be able to change my look. I want to be able to do it quickly and easily, with minimal effort. So some of the wigs that you may see that have lace and you have to go and get the got-to-be glue and all this other stuff, I'm not doing that. That's not my thing. So something like this, I have a feeling you may have to actually use glue. I don't have one of those, it's a wig. I just forgot the name of it. I'm getting brain fog these days. I'm on a diet, so I've got the brain fog. But anyhow, there's something, a wig grip. There we go, I got it. Okay, so I don't have a wig grip, so I can't really see whether the wig grip is going to keep it there. Now, it should, but I just wanted to let you see that this is something that'll happen. I've just been walking around with this wig for the past maybe hour or so, and it's sliding back. So if you buy something like this and you don't have a wig grip on, or you're not doing all of that stuff to your hair, it's gonna slide back, okay? Outside of that, it's comfortable. One of the other things that I really kind of didn't like about it was this color, and it's pretty much the same thing that I'm going to show you here, because this is a burgundy as well. So without me talking a whole lot, let me go ahead and get into this review. Now, before I do that, let me just say, for anyone who is new, my name is Simply Carrie. Welcome and thank you for watching. I do wig reviews on kind of a regular basis, and I do other things having to do with beauty. So if you like my channel and you want to stick around, which I suggest you do, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and definitely hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we have. Now, oh, let me tell you, okay, because sometimes I buy these wigs a while out and I don't wear them for a while, and then I'll forget what's in there. But this, I can't believe I paid $51.99. I paid $52 for this wig. I have a feeling I could get it a lot cheaper someplace else. But anyhow, this is the Royal Swiss Lace Premium Class, and this is the stock card for it. Okay. And I'll leave all the information in the description box, but this one is called Lady, and it's burgundy. Okay, so it comes with, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. Well, you know what, before I cut that off, let me just do this. Okay, so, I don't know, the lace is pretty soft, just like this one, the lace is soft. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, I may not cut this one off right away just so that you can see how it looks, before I cut it. It has a Y-shaped part on the inside. It has the 2 combs that I always say I never use because that will pull my hair out. I do use the one that's in the back. It has the elastic bands on the side. Okay, and it's a wavy wig basically, but I'm really not feeling this color. I'm sorry, I'm just not feeling this color. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the stock card off. You can apply heat to this. Let's see, okay. And it is pre-tweezed. I didn't want to forget that. It is pre-tweezed. So I'm gonna take this one off. Now you may see a little bit of the foundation on my cap because I put the foundation on once I put the wig on today because I did not do it when I initially did the review. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on so that you can see what it looks like with the lace on. And then I will take it off. I'll cut the lace in just a little bit. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And this is with the lace on. I'm gonna go ahead and brush it. It's got a lot of body. I think I might like this one a little bit better because it does have the body and it's not as flat, straight and flat as the other one is. I really kind of didn't like that vibe. Now it does, as I said before, it has the baby hair. Now, if you know how to work baby hair, knock yourself out. That's awesome. For me, I don't have time for baby hair. I don't have time for that. I don't even do my own hair like that. Okay, so I won't be playing around with baby hair like that, but it's got a lot of it. It's a lot, look at that. Okay, I just wanted to show you that before I cut it off because I didn't want to cut this and then not really, because I didn't see the baby hair on that, and it's probably because I cut it off before I got a chance to see what it looked like. Okay. So this is what it looks like so far. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm gonna try to keep from cutting the baby hair off of it. And let's see what this looks like. All right, guys, so I did cut the lace off. I kept it on my head and I cut the lace off because I didn't want to cut too much. And I'm gonna come a little closer so that you can see that there is still lace right there on my forehead. So I have a feeling that when I did the other wig, the straight one right here, I have a feeling that I probably cut it too close. I did take it off of my head. Well, I didn't even put it on my head. I think I just went ahead and cut the lace off of it. And in the process of cutting the lace off, I probably cut the baby hair off and I cut the lace a little too close. Now, I don't know whether people are really gonna be able to see this because it does look like it is, it blends in with my scalp, but as I wear it and I look at it a little bit closer, if it looks like I need to cut it back a little bit, I'll cut it back just a little bit, but I don't think I want to cut it too much. So it's very important that you don't cut the lace too close because you will get what you saw me with earlier, which is some of your hair peeking out. Now, another thing that I really, I like the idea of the Y-shaped part. However, the mesh in this, or the lace, it has this meshy kind of look to it, and it looks like a screen or something. So I did not do this on camera the last time, but I will do it on camera this time. Is I will go ahead and put a little bit of foundation. Okay, so I took some of the foundation that I use for my own skin, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the part. Okay. Just to try and give it a more natural look. Now, notice something up here. You see how it's sort of puffy up here in the top? That can make it look wiggy as well. So you have to be careful there. If you have to, if you're able to, I would get some pins and put in it to kind of hold it down if you're able to do that. Or that's at least what I would do. All right, now this part in the front looks a little bit more, but I'm not gonna go crazy with this. I was about to say the part in the front up here looks pretty, pretty wide. But you know, you get on the elevator with somebody and they're standing there talking to you, but they're also looking at your hair. You know, you're talking and they're staring at your hair and you're watching them stare at your hair. Like, you might as well just ask me some questions about my hair instead of just staring at it. You know, you look at my eyes and then you look up, and then you look at my eyes and you look up. I know you're looking at my hair. I know you want to ask me questions. Just go ahead and ask those questions. I'm not ashamed. I'm wearing a wig. You saw me in a different color and length last week. You know that's not my hair. Okay, so anyhow, what do you think? I'm gonna go ahead and turn so that you can see it. All right, I like the body in this. I like this a lot better than I did the other one. All right, so that's the back. Hopefully, because I can't see the back, so hopefully my back is not looking crazy. You know, you turn around and your back is just all over the place and looking crazy, but you don't know it, and you're thinking it looks good. Okay, so yes, this one I think I like a whole lot better. All right, because of the body that it has to it. Now, like I said before, the other one, yeah, you could put a cap on or something like that and go if you want to have that straight, but I'm not really that crazy about the straight. I like to have a little curl, a little bounce to it. And I do like this. Now, I'm gonna pull this to the side a little bit. Once again, this is not your hair. Don't do that. That's all, don't do that. Okay, it's not yours, don't do that. Just keep it down, keep it cool, that's it. All right, now I don't know, I was kind of thinking I could take this off and then just blend the sides of my hair in because it's already dark on the top. So that's a possibility, but I don't feel like you really have to do that. All right, so I like this a lot. Okay, now this one I think I will get some use out of. I think I would wear it more. I think I'll play around a little bit, although I don't feel like I have to. The baby hair definitely makes a difference because it kind of hides the lace, so that's a good thing. I like that. And like I said before, just don't, I mean, if you want to cut just a tiny bit up here, then that's fine, but don't cut it too much. All right, so that is it. I will leave all of the information in the description box for, this is not Hope, this is for Lady. Okay, so for SOMRT, oh wait, that's the color. I'm sorry, SW Lace H Lady is her name, Lady. All right, so guys, let me know what you're interested in seeing, what other kind of wigs there are out there that you might be interested in. Go ahead and put those in the comment section, or if there's anything else that you want to let me know about, put that in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you came this far, thank you so much for watching. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. And if you have not subscribed yet, it would help me out if you subscribe and you give this video a thumbs up. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye guys.